Big Red Money Pit Garage. We're doing AC service on my brother's truck. So as you see, we already got the grill off. We're replacing that high side port because it leaked. Had the ball valve instead of the Schrader valve, so we replaced the whole valve itself. All the parts we're going to use are going to be linked down below. This will be another quick video for you. So stay tuned and see how we get it all done. She's definitely long. Don't know if you remember in my fleet update if I showed this one or not, but it had a bunch of black spray paint all over it. Didn't have this toolbox on it, but we've put this one on. I took it's a little small for it, but you know, she definitely does the work. This is the one my brother takes to the dump for us to take our trash. All right, so we've got the high side port changed out to one with the Schrader valve instead of the ball valve. Had to use that 8-point socket, and I'll list that all here in the description. Now we're going to do the orifice tube here inside there, just because we have it open. And then tonight we'll take it over to our buddies, get it under a vacuum, make sure nothing leaks, and then refill it. As you can see, catastrophic leak there that happened, so that was unfortunate. But it's been leaking over time, so there wasn't much left in it. And this is in our 97 C3500, but it's the same in all of them. All the OBSs. Hopefully we can find the right size wrenches and get that knocked open. Once we do, I'll get back with you. That's the one we took out. As you see, it's a ball valve. The new one going in is a Schrader valve. So if we ever have to replace that, I got the tools for that. And this O-ring was doing nothing. So check your valves, check your Schrader valves. Stop them AC leaks, guys. Not the best sizes, but we used a 20 on the bottom side. And what do we use here?
15/16.
15/16. All right, so we just broke it loose. So we're gonna take that nut off, we didn't bend any lines. And then we'll get back with you as soon as we can get that valve out of there. Or I'm sorry, the orifice tube. So while my brother's getting the needle nose, show you there. The old orifice tube is still in there. Pretty easy job. You know, you gotta take the grill off, but got some dye detector there. Only doing this because we already had the system open, and I don't know when that was last changed out. It was $6, so might as well see how she's looking. If it looks pristine, I'm probably still going to put the new one in just because. But it'll be good to know that we're not shooting metal everywhere and how to block the orifice tube or anything. We've only had this truck for like 6 to 8 months or so, and that it always leaked out AC right there, as you can see. So we'll get some needle nose pliers and get that pulled out. Go ahead and see if we can get her out of there. Might be a little slippery. Oh boy, let's see. I'm not seeing any metal, so that's good. All right, sludgy. Yep, go ahead and put the new one in. Yeah. Gross. See, these new headlights are doing pretty good. And I don't know if I've already told you, but this is the 97 C3500. We nicknamed it Stretch because she's a long girl, or boy, I don't even know what it is. But we picked it up with the bad tranny. Had a parts truck that I took the motor out of, and the transmission went in this, and it's worked great ever since. Not in the greatest shape, but for what we paid for it, amazing deal. New one going in. All right, well, let me see what we got going on, see if I can get that one going in there for you. And once I do, I'll be right back. Okay, so the new one is in. Took a little bit of force and then we got it lined up and pushed it in. So it's all lubed up. So we're just gonna go ahead and thread this back on, get it all reassembled, and then once we go recharge the system tonight, we'll show you what its pressures are at, if I can remember to record that, and if not, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.